Hello everyone, so this is day 26 March 2024 and today's Leetcode daily question challenge is find the first missing positive number. So here we are given with an array nums and we need to find the smallest missing positive number in it. So as example 1, we can see that 1 and 2 are present and 0 is present, but 0 is not considered as a positive number, so the minimum positive number that is not present is 3. In the other example we can see that 1 and 3 is present but 2 is not present, so 2 is the minimum positive number that is absent in the array. In the third example we can see that 1 is absent, which is the minimum positive number, so it returns 1 as the output. So in this code we have used set, a built-in function in Python, so that we remove all the duplicates and it is an efficient lookup. So we have initiated I is equals to 1 because 1 is the minimum positive number or the smallest positive number, and while I in set of nums we will increment I by 1, so it will check 2, 3, 4 like that, and when I is not present in set of nums it will return the I. Let us run this, and yeah, you can check this is my submission with beats 98.66% of Python user, and this is my solution. You can check it out, the link is in comment box. Thank you.